I wonder what colour truck they've got.
Yeah, I've got an orange one.
So yeah, just for clarity, when you crash, press the safety car button. We can then stop which is the top one. We can clear the truck off the track.
Oh, power's back on!
You back in?
Yeah, you showed me.
It's all clear yellow.
Yellow's,
me.
yellow's off.
That's me.
Oh my god! I cannot believe I just did that.
Everyone back in.
Red's off.
I think this
Red's
one-
off as
Oh,
well.
red's off.
Yeah, red's
That's
off.
more,
Yeah,
that's
red's
only
off.
what he deserves, isn't it, Duncan? Really?
Does that mean nothing,
Taking this
Nigel?
way, is it?
No,
No, I know, I knocked you off.
Is it? All right.
Oh, it's clear over.
Were you off before I got there, Nigel?
No, you was off before I got there. Oh, yeah.
I thought it was
Oh. Translate after Friday.
Okay, you're still in first, don't worry.
I'm wearing first.
Yeah.
Noise down a bit. It's my neighbours.
Flipping hell.
Safety car button, Kev. It's clear now, but
Yeah,
yeah.
sorry. I held on to the old trigger a bit too long there.
Restarting.
Oh, I was winning.
I finished first.
Oh! Who said that earlier?
First you have to finish.
Who's pressed the button?
Me.
Oh,
Oh,
Elliot.
Elliot's
I
off.
span off. I wasn't going that fast.
Well, you were going fast enough to spin off,
I
same as I
know.
was.
I know.
Says otherwise.
Yeah,
Truck lied.
they're quick, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I'll just keep going.
Let it
Yes.
finish it. Is that a win for Stuart?
That's beautiful, thanks.
Okay, you got your first place, haven't you?
I'll do. Can only get worse from it.